Documents reveal what the victim told investigators from her hospital bed just days after she had her fingers cut off by an attacker.
And 23 ABC's Ken Masenchi has looked through those documents, has the details on the alleged abuse relationship between the suspect and the victim, as well as the days leading up to that assault. Ken?
Yeah, it's a very terrifying couple of hours that this victim went through in her account that she told police when she spent those hours with suspect Franco Ochoa. Now, through these documents, we learned the name of that victim, but we have decided to withhold it from the story. A takeover. Court documents show the victim of gruesome torture knew it was a possibility when she first allowed Franco Ochoa to enter her apartment on June 23rd. The victim's cousin, who lived with the victim, was forced out of the apartment after the victim told investigators Ochoa began poking at the cousin with a sword. The documents show that later that day, the victim was put in a chokehold by Ochoa, and he punched her several times in the head. The victim told police she believed Ochoa was on meth. Court documents show that the victim told investigators Ochoa left and came back with his wife, Amalia Lopez, with Ochoa telling the victim that Lopez would be moving in as well. The victim says after she disagreed, Ochoa ordered his wife to beat up the victim. And after Lopez punched the victim in the head a few times, Ochoa threw a pepperoni container at the victim, striking her on the shoulder. The victim told investigators that her phone wasn't working and she couldn't call law enforcement. When she informed a neighbor about the abuse, the victim says she was told, quote, "just deal with it." The documents show the next day, the victim saw Ochoa sharpening a different sword. At around 10 that night, the victim says Ochoa ordered his wife to go to the bathroom. The victim told police Ochoa then began to swing the sword at her and backed her into a corner as she tried to block him, suffering major injuries to a hand and elbow. Documents show that the victim said Ochoa then piled papers in the victim's clothing in the middle of the room. The victim says Ochoa told her he was doing this because she was the devil. After pouring a drywall powder on her, the victim says Ochoa lit the papers and clothing on fire. The victim told investigators Ochoa and Lopez took bags packed with her belongings and left the home. Documents show that the victim feared Ochoa would come back to, quote, finish the job and squeeze through a window before laying by a trash can nearby. The victim finished by telling investigators that she did not call for help because she was afraid she would get caught and be assaulted again. Ochoa and Lopez will be back in court next month for attempted murder, burglary, arson, and torture, among other charges. Live from the courthouse, Ken Masenchi, 23 ABC.